Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you guys and the support, the comments, the thumbs up, the likes, the subscribes. It really means a lot to us. So today we are going to ask you to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. We'd like to listen, see, hear what you guys have to say, who you like, who we should draw next. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever we're at. So today we're going to draw Kawhi Leonard of the Los Angeles Clippers. We received a few requests for Kawhi Leonard, and I remember watching Kawhi a lot in college and of course the NBA, and he's such a great player. So let's do it. Find the center of your page across the center of your page over here. We'll do Kawhi's head here, but first, Kawhi Leonard went to college, San Diego State. I remember watching him a lot play one of my favorite players, Jimmer Fredette of the BYU Cougars, and they battled all the time. Nicknamed the Claw for his big hands, he's one of the best, if not the best, two-way player in the NBA in history, frankly. That two-way player means offensive and defensive. So a lot of people focus on offense, a lot of people focus on defense. Kawhi Leonard, both. Champion, NBA champion, all-star, all defensive team, all the things. You know, this guy does it all. So let's do it. We're gonna get our dark marker. We're gonna do the jawline for Kawhi Leonard now. Come down, angle, chin, angle, round it up. There we go. A couple of ovals on the side of the head for the ears. And we're gonna do a round, kind of a rounded side of the head. And we'll do a connect flat. This will be like the forehead, the edge of his hair right there. And we're gonna do a bump out, down, bump up, down, bump up, down, bump up, down, out. These are gonna be like the braid rows of Kawhi's hair. He'll have one that maybe bumps out here, maybe another that kind of curves down. These are the braids that come out from behind his head. He has one maybe curving out right there, maybe another one down here. Cool. Let's do the neck. Kawhi's neck's gonna come down, straight down, and then kind of curve to a point. We'll do angle down for the shoulder, for the jersey, round it out for the armpit area. Let's angle down to the waist, come straight across, angle down and connect to the waist there. And we're gonna do the shorts. We're gonna go angle out, angle down, up, down, angle up, and connect. All right, let's do the legs right here. We're gonna start wide at the knees and come down to the ankles skinny. Wide and angle down, skinny, and connect with a rounded shape. Start wide, angle down, connect. There we go. So do these big oversized shoes right here. So do the tongue of the shoe up, tongue of the shoe up. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that side. We'll do, bring the toe out to the edge and down. Come straight across to the ankle or the heel area and connect. Bring this heel rounded out down there. Come straight across to the edge of the page on this side. Bring that toe up, round the toe, and connect to the shoelace. There we go. Let's do a big oversized basketball on this side. Hold your marker lightly. You don't need to squeeze too tight, and just let the wrist move like this. You don't need to go focus and hold tight. Just let the whole wrist move. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers for holding onto that basketball. Bump. Big shoulder. Kawhi's got massive shoulders. All right. Bump. Big shoulder. And we're gonna actually do Kawhi's big, since they call him the Claw, let's do a big hand, right? Thumb, finger number 1, 2, 3. Pinky comes down, bumps up, and connects to the thumb. This muscle comes out and hides behind the finger. Bump and hides behind that finger. Okay, so we got the blocked out shape of Kawhi Leonard. Let's do his eyes. We're gonna do about the level of the ears, sideways ovals. There's 1 and 2. Now Kawhi Leonard's eyes, if you watch, if you pay any attention, they're kind of like half shut. So we're gonna do a line and a line for half shut eyes. Half circle, half circle. Those circles stay white. Okay. Small circle in the corner. And we're gonna fill this area in. There we go. Actually, we're gonna fill this all in with black. There we go. Okay. Now let's do his eyebrows. They're kind of slanted, little up, arch, come down to the corner of his eye. He's got some thinner eyebrows, so nothing too crazy. Kind of fill them in a little bit darker. Now we're gonna come down from the edge of this eye and make a dot. The edge of this eye and make a dot. His nostrils are going to be kind of arches. 1, 2. 2 arches. And I'm gonna fill it in. Fill each nostril in. And then come up, round it out, and come up. Makes sense? Okay. We'll find the center of his head, come down the center of his nose, and make a dot for the top of his lip there. Go up, down, down. His lip, his bottom lip, like that. Now we're gonna make his top lip. Start at this edge, bump, and connect. Okay. It's kind of got this, there we go. Looking really good, actually. So let's scribble in a little bit of a lip beard under that lip. He's got a mustache that goes above the lip. It doesn't quite touch it, so I'm gonna leave see that gap? Mustache that comes around. And he's got a nicely trimmed beard. We'll fill this in with our black marker. He's not too scraggly. He's got a nicely trimmed beard, and it goes up to his cheekbones. So we're gonna thicken this area in with black, our black marker. Kind of come up to the beard area, or the mustache, come up to the mustache so it connects. Okay, looking good. So now with his hair on top, since he's got these braids, I'm gonna leave a gap right there, gap right there, gap right there. All right, and I'm gonna fill in the hair all around those gaps. I'm gonna leave those gaps, and those are gonna be the color of his scalp. It's gonna be a flesh color. And right now we're gonna fill in his hair, just so you can see where we're filling this in. We're filling these braids with black, filling this braid, and that braid right there. Okay, let me make a chin come a little bit further down. All right, cool. Next we got red stripes. I'm gonna get the red marker. I'm gonna do a stripe that comes down, leaving a big wide gap around his neck. Right there. And I'm gonna make it a little bit wider so you can kind of see it. We've got a red stripe on the side, and it kind of angles down. So it's wide at the top of the short, and it goes skinny toward the bottom of the short right there. Okay? We're gonna do a red stripe coming down the shoe. And we'll fill that in with red on the fast forward. Now the other area we want to do is the number 2. I got this bright blue Clippers, and we're gonna do the number 2 and leave it white. Okay, so we go up, over, down, angle down, down, angle down, down, across, and connect. Okay, so that 2 is going to be white, and that area is going to be white. We're going to fill all this in with blue. We're going to fill all this in with blue, the blue jersey. And then what I'm going to do is, as we've done in other drawings, I'm going to use a white Prismacolor. You can get these in the link of the video. Prismacolor is a high-end coloring pencil. It's a little softer so it can color easy and blend easy. So I'm going to get this Prismacolor when this is all blue. I'm going to write the word Clippers in white. So it won't be perfectly bright, but it will stand out a little bit. Okay, so watch for that in the fast forward. We are going to fast forward now. Thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Kawhi Leonard of the Los Angeles Clippers. Let us know who we should draw next and subscribe now. Fast forward.